My journey around the world took me from the jungles of Cambodia into the heart of China. Xi'an was once the capital of all of China, and it's the starting point for the Great Silk Road that extended from here all the way across Eurasia to Istanbul. Silk was just one of the many things that was traded on this historic path across a continent, and today, more than 1,000 years later, visitors to Xi'an can experience the same sights, smells, and flavors of the Silk Road. Walking through Xi'an's old Muslim marketplace changed so many of my perceptions about Chinese food. These fried pastries smelled so wonderful, as did the roasted walnuts in the street. The sizzling pans of fried potatoes with red chilies, onions, and then the barbecued squid, which smelled delicious as well. There were big pots of boiling noodles, and noodles are a really important part of the food culture in Shanxi province. Noodles are still made the way they've been made in China for centuries, with a single piece of dough that's pulled out and stretched over and over and over again into several strands until finally you have a complete handful of noodles. These are boiled in under a minute and then served hot in a bowl with beef broth. This was one of the best lunches I had in China. Absolutely terrific.